The shocking truth about why women love money. In today's society, it's no secret that money has a big influence on dating and relationships. But do women really like money in those two aspects? Many men believe that having a lot of money is necessary to attract women. But is this really true? While money is important, it is not the key factor in attracting women. But why are women attracted to men who possess a lot of wealth? Money has always been a big deal in our lives, right? It shapes our behaviors and preferences, but when it comes to women and money, things get tricky. Society expects women to depend on men, and their financial independence threatens traditional gender roles. But why is this happening? Turns out, women are attracted to men who have financial stability and resources, not because they're gold diggers, but because it signals security and the ability to provide for a family. Plus, money gives women freedom and opportunities. Who knew money could be such a complicated love story? So, here are 5 signs why women are attracted to men with money. 1. Symbol of success. First up, women see money as a symbol of success and security. And who doesn't love a successful man? When a man is passionate and successful at what he does, it's a major turn-on for women. And guess what, guys? This trait isn't limited to those who make 6 figures or more. Even if you earn an average income, being good at your job and managing your money well can still make you attractive to women. So, if you're a hard worker who knows how to handle your finances, you might just be in luck. 2. Financial stability. Having financial stability in relationships can provide a sense of security for women. Having financial stability can demonstrate that a partner is reliable, responsible, and capable of providing for the needs of the relationship. With financial security, a woman can feel secure knowing that their partner is taking care of them and will be able to provide for their needs. This can give her a feeling of safety and security and will help to create a strong and lasting relationship. 3. Independence. Money and financial independence allows a man to make decisions that are in the best interest of his relationship and his partner. Having the financial resources to make informed decisions can give a man an edge when it comes to the decisions that shape the future of the relationship. Women are also attracted to men who are able to provide for themselves and their families, as it can give them a sense of pride and accomplishment. Having financial independence allows a man to take care of the needs of his partner, which can be a source of comfort and security. 4. Comfort. Money can provide comfort to a relationship, as it can take away the stress of not having enough funds to cover the basics. Men with financial resources are also better placed to provide for their partners and families in times of need. In addition, financial stability can allow couples to pursue hobbies and interests together, leading to a more fulfilling and enjoyable relationship. 5. Opportunity. Women are attracted to men who have financial resources because it can provide them with exciting opportunities and possibilities that would otherwise be unavailable. It can open up the doors to new experiences, such as traveling the world, enjoying unique and interesting activities, and investing in businesses and other ventures. With financial resources, couples can enjoy a higher quality of life, with access to finer things and a greater level of security and stability. This can be especially beneficial in the long run, ensuring that the couple's relationship continues to grow and thrive. Moreover, it can give couples a sense of togetherness, providing them with the ability to do things together that would otherwise be out of reach. Ultimately, financial resources are a desirable trait for women when it comes to choosing a partner. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. And as always, thanks for watching.